Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable auto backup of home screen layout and settings on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on accounts and backup. In here, tap on backup data in the Samsung Cloud section. Next, go down and tap on the home screen toggle button. This will allow you to turn off auto backup or switch it on. Once it is turned on, you can perform an auto backup of the home screen. The settings and the layouts on the screen will be backup to the cloud, so that if you somehow mess up the screen and it is not in the right order or something has gone missing, you can always go into your cloud and try to restore the settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.